about putting the cheater press on in. I think the real term is pegging the pants, put a peg pleat in. Anyway, but we always call them cheater press. When I was in high school and in college, with the rodeo team and all, what you do is your moms would sew in the press there, so you always look like you had creased pants, even though it's your rodeo there. And like I said, we call them cheater press. The moms would all do them. That's back in the early 60s, 1960s.
Yeah, and they over time will turn a little white. Right there.
And on the back side too. Ready?
All right.
Match these two seams here, spread them out, and I have pressed them on both sides, coming up to the tip of the pocket. This pocket is the left side pocket. This is the front of the jeans. This is the back. You want to do it to that pocket. And a lot of people wonder, as I did for a while, well, how far do I crease up the front? Where everyone kind of sees it usually. So how far do you go up? Well, my dad says that if you fold over, once you've creased them, you fold them over evenly. You take where that pocket is and you match it up exactly. And that's how far you go up in the front. So these should match exactly. Anyway, so I have done the other side and pinned, and now I'm going to sew these up. And we're going to start with that last pin that matches the exact same length over here. And we're going to start from there, and we're going to back stitch maybe once, go to lock it in, and then we're going to go all the way down. And I do it no more than 1/8 of an inch. If you're hesitant to go either way, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so I've done the front side. I'm gonna let my boy Hunter, he's 10 years old, he wants to do the back side. I think it's a good skill to teach them to be independent. Okay, so this is the back side. Hunter helped out. As you can see, it goes up to the corner of that pocket. It goes up to the corner of that pocket.
Guitars and drive them old trucks. They come be doctors.